Artificial plant walls are becoming increasingly popular due to their low maintenance and striking effect. They're perfect for covering up walls or unsightly features, for stopping neighbors peering in, or simply elevating a space. Price, fullness, foliage variety, and color can help you decide which plant wall to get. For example, this is our inexpensive hedge-like range. Then we take a step up to our more lush, colorful vertical garden range. Then we hit our premium range, which are full of color, plants, and variation. Beyond our easy DIY range is our bespoke commercial range. All our panels have UV resistance built in, a key sign of quality to check for. Seeing them in person can also help you decide. Our showroom is located in Braeside, Melbourne. Make sure to take measurements of your space to know how many you'll need. Most of our plant walls come in boxes like this. They're approximately 100 centimeters long, 50 centimeters wide, and 20 centimeters deep, with 4 or 5 pre-assembled panels each, which are usually folded over in the boxes. When you first receive your panels, you'll need to fluff them out. You can do this before or after you install them. Each panel is 1 meter by 1 meter, and they're actually made up of 8 smaller 25 centimeter by 50 centimeter rectangles attached with clips. That means you can easily detach them and clip them together. You can also cut them with scissors. We recommend you clip as many as you can on the floor first, then hang them up. Each of our panels weighs around 3 to 4 kilograms, so for large projects, it might be a good idea to get someone to help you lift them. Our green walls can be fixed to almost any surface. The strong grid backing allows for easy hanging and fixing. These vertical garden panels are hung up using hooks, but you can also staple, plug, or screw them to your surface. You can also secure them with cable ties, around 3 per side for a strong hold. They're easy to clean. Just spray with our cleaner or a hose, then wipe.